What's going on, everybody? So I want to start this video off with a few screenshots I'm going to put on the screen of some results we got for a couple clients, as well as a text message and an email that I received from two separate clients, just to show you what we do here at Everything Credit LLC. Now, obviously, we're going to have people that don't like us because we get better results than everybody else, and also because we point scammers out. So it's kind of funny that a scammer says that I'm a scammer and that I'm doing business illegal because I live in Georgia. You know how many people have businesses in other states? It's perfectly legal to do that. But the reason I bring it up is because this particular individual literally does everything illegal, like nothing is legal. And he says that I don't respect our industry. First of all, you're a scammer. You're not in the credit repair industry. You're taking people's money and you're not fixing their credit or even trying to fix their credit. And that's why you're so mad at me. And it sucks because you have the potential to do the right thing. You're just mentally ill and you need help. So if y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.